This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the precise clip you want. Make sure the video length is short enough to loop smoothly. Next, record or download the YouTube segment as MP4 at 720p or 1080p. This preserves quality without crushing performance. Once done, trim the clip to 30-60 seconds and set the loop points so the cut is invisible. Make sure your device has storage and battery headroom. Otherwise, background playback will stutter and ruin the live wallpaper effect. Now convert and optimize the clip for continuous wallpaper use. First, crop to your screen ratio so the image fills the display, then encode at a moderate bitrate to balance quality versus power use. Use a desktop tool or mobile app to export as a looping MP4 or a platform-specific live wallpaper file. Once exported, test the loop locally. If you notice micro pauses, re-encode with frame rate matching the original. Keep the file under a few tens of megabytes to avoid slow loading. Finally, apply the file through your live wallpaper app or system wallpaper picker and set it as home and lock screen if supported. Once applied, watch for alignment, audio issues, or stutter. Adjust crop, re-encode, or remove audio if needed. If playback is choppy, make sure hardware decoding is enabled, lower the bitrate, or shorten the clip. Those changes reduce CPU load. One quick troubleshooting tip: if the wallpaper fails to loop cleanly, trim 1 or 2 frames at the cut to eliminate a visual jump.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.